A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, epic food adventures were born. Welcome back to my channel. Today on Mimi Homestyle, we're bringing that magic into your kitchen with Star Wars-inspired recipes that are out of this world. Whether you're a Jedi Knight, a Sith Lord, or just a fan of all things Star Wars, these treats are designed to make your taste buds tingle and transport you to the iconic scenes of the movies. Get ready because we're diving into a galactic feast that will be as fun to make as it is to eat. First up, let's create a snack that's as adorable as it is delicious. Grogu or Baby Yoda tortilla chips. To start, I used my kitchen scissors to carefully cut out Grogu shapes from green tortillas, using a photo of Grogu's head as a guide. This little detail makes all the difference, capturing that iconic, lovable look. I'm sure you'll agree that these are almost too cute to eat, but trust me, they're worth it. Once the shapes were ready, I brushed both sides with a light coating of extra virgin olive oil, which will help them bake up crispy and golden. The olive oil adds a nice richness to the chips, making them even more irresistible. I then laid them out neatly on parchment paper, and this helps prevent sticking and ensures an even bake. A quick sprinkle of salt adds just the right amount of flavor. Simple, but it's the small touches that really elevate these snacks. Next, it's time to bake. I set the oven to 350 degrees and kept a close eye on these little guys because they brown up quickly. You want to watch as they transform into crispy golden chips with a hint of that green tortilla color peeking through. Now it's time to honor the mighty Mandalorian with a dip that's as bold and flavorful as the warrior himself, the Mandalorian Mudhorn Egg Dip. This dish is inspired by the epic battle with the Mudhorn, combining mayonnaise and Dijon mustard with a mix of spices that give it a satisfying kick. This dip is thick, creamy, and just the right balance of tangy and savory, making it perfect for scooping up with chips, veggies, or, if you're really in the Star Wars spirit, our Grogu tortilla chips. When served in a rustic-looking bowl, this dip feels hearty and substantial, much like the Mandalorian's armor, and it's sure to be a hit at any gathering. Our next dish pays tribute to one of the most iconic characters in the Star Wars universe, Princess Leia. These Princess Leia-inspired cinnamon buns are as elegant and powerful as the princess herself. Using refrigerated crescent roll dough, we're making these buns not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to prepare. With just a bit of rolling and shaping, you can recreate Leia's iconic hair buns. And once they're baked to golden perfection, the smell of cinnamon will fill your kitchen. Drizzling a bit of icing on top adds that sweet finishing touch, making these buns not just a treat for the taste buds, but also a feast for the eyes. Serve them on a silver tray for that royal flair, and they're sure to impress any Star Wars fan. Next, we're venturing into the lush forests of Endor, home to the Ewoks, with our hearty Ewok Granola Bars. These bars are inspired by the resourceful nature of the Ewoks themselves, simple, wholesome, and packed with energy. We're mixing oats, honey, peanut butter, brown sugar, vanilla, rice cereal, and mini chocolate chips to create a chewy, satisfying snack that's perfect for fueling your own adventures, whether you're exploring the great outdoors or just need a quick pick-me-up. The combination of textures and flavors, peanut butter, chewy oats, and chocolate chips, makes these bars an instant favorite. And when you plate them on a rustic wooden board, surrounded by a bit of greenery, you'll feel like you're right there in the heart of the forest with your furry friends. Behold the aftermath of a true Star Wars feast, my very own kitchen battlefield. It turns out creating epic galactic treats comes with a cost, a mountain of dirty dishes. But don't worry, young Padawans, the Force is strong with us in the kitchen, and just as the Millennium Falcon needs a good tune-up after a hyperspace jump, our kitchen could use a bit of a cleanup after this culinary adventure. Now that we've tidied up, let's dive into our last two recipes. What would a Star Wars menu be without a nod to Luke Skywalker and his iconic blue milk? We're bringing that same vibe to the breakfast table with Luke Skywalker's blue milk pancakes. These fluffy pancakes get their signature blue hue from just a touch of food coloring and some blueberry yogurt, making them as unique as the Jedi himself. But the magic isn't just in the color. The pancakes are light, airy, and perfectly sweet with a soft texture that melts in your mouth. And to make them even more special, I've sprinkled powdered sugar stars on top with a cookie cutter, or you could cut out star-shaped fruit. I added syrup and whipped cream on the side, making this breakfast as visually appealing as it is tasty. Imagine starting your day on Tatooine with a stack of these pancakes, feeling like a true Jedi. We'll finish our culinary journey on the desert planet of Tatooine with a drink that perfectly captures its stunning fiery sunsets. The Tatooine Sunset Layered Drink is not just visually striking, but also incredibly refreshing, perfect after a long day under the twin suns. We're combining vibrant layers of pineapple juice, grenadine, and you can add either orange juice or a blue sports drink to create that iconic sunset effect. As you pour each layer, you'll see the colors blend into a beautiful gradient that's almost too pretty to sip. Almost. The flavors are light and fruity, making this drink not only a visual delight, but also a delicious one. There you have it, a Star Wars inspired feast that's as fun to make as it is to eat. From the vibrant Tatooine Sunset Drink to the hearty Ewok Granola Bars, the bold Mandalorian Mudhorn Egg Dip, the iconic blue milk pancakes, and of course, the sweet and cinnamon spiced Princess Leia buns. Every dish here is a celebration of the galaxy we all know and love. Plus, those Grogu tortilla chips are the perfect finishing touch, adding a bit of cuteness and crunch to your spread. Whether you're hosting a Star Wars marathon, planning a themed party, or you just want to bring a bit of the galaxy into your kitchen, these recipes are sure to make you feel like a culinary Jedi. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and may the Force be with you. To add that extra Star Wars flair, I found these fun straws and a bamboo cutting board at the Dollar Tree, perfect for our themed drinks and snacks. A touch of silver luster dust from Amazon gives our Princess Leia inspired cinnamon buns that royal finish. And these silver accents like plates, chargers, confetti, and cupcake liners really bring the whole theme together. This bamboo bowl and my lightsaber from Amazon, just a little extra fun to make your table feel straight out of the galaxy. And don't forget to grab your free Star Wars recipe book. It's packed with all the recipes we just made in full color, plus links to all the items I used to plate them up and decorate, including those fun Star Wars paper decorations. The links in the description below. Everything you need to create your own Star Wars feast. And here are some of my favorite memories from Disney World, where I got to meet some Star Wars icons. These moments always remind me why I love this galaxy so much. Thanks for joining me on this Star Wars adventure. I can't wait to see what you create. Until next time, keep the fun going and happy cooking. Thank you for watching today's Mimi Homestyle video. We hope you had a great time and found some inspiration for your next celebration. If you want to stay updated, follow us on TikTok and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified of our videos on YouTube. Check out our website at mimihomestyle.com and our printables at Grin and Print on Etsy. I can't wait to see you next time for more fun ideas.